Shiba Inu holders, what's happening? When will the Shibarium mainnet launch? That's a big question. I know everybody wants the answer. We're not going to get a date from Shytoshi and company. However, we have some information that Shytoshi may have told Lucy Shib about. Lucy, another influencer on Twitter. She's awesome, by the way. So let's talk about this a little bit, break it down. And Vinod, shout out to him over at Watcher Guru. He's always all over it, does a fantastic job covering SHIB in multiple capacities here. So, of course, the public beta testnet is out. We have intake forms being filled out like crazy, and just a ton of companies, ton of great things coming on Shibarium, whether it's in real life businesses, integrating into Web3, into the metaverse, or just other dApps and projects within crypto. Bone, of course, going to be used as gas on the network. We've seen some test transactions already go through. Now that Shibarium beta is out, though, when will the mainnet release, allowing the L2 solution to be a fully functional blockchain? Well, Shytoshi did recently drop some hints during a chat with SHIB influencer Lucy. The lead developer suggested the mainnet launch may take some time, but it won't be a long delay. So furthermore, Shytoshi's telling influencer Lucy in a chat that the testnet could be deployed for the next 2 months minimum. Okay, the developer added that the testnet period might go further and dropped a tentative time frame. It could be much longer, 4 months, said Shytoshi. 2 to 4 months. Therefore, when the influencer asked, how long will beta take? Shytoshi responded, depends. We'll be creating systems and bug hunting. They have to, give this time for the testnet to play itself out, to find any bugs that are out there. Of course, bug hunting, process of finding any vulnerabilities in software before it's released in its full version to the market. The development fixes all issues regarding security, UI, UX, and identifies errors before the final launch. It's the most important period right now for a trial and error process that we're going through, this public beta testnet, to make the final release a smooth experience for all users out there. So, when asked by the influencer how many months could the beta test phase remain, Shytoshi answered, guess 2 months. It could be much longer. 4 months, he said. So somewhere between 2 to 4 months. And there is Lucy's tweet. And you could take that for what you will. So we're looking at a 2 to 4 month time frame here with Shibarium. We know that everything was going to roll out in phases. Still waiting on further documentation, which I believe that will come in between now and then being the mainnet launch. This is not a confirmed release, and the dates may vary as the beta version needs to be fully tested end to end before we get any mainnet launch. But cryptocurrency today firing up a little bit. Bitcoin over 26,000. SHIB also following in the footsteps of Bitcoin, trying to get back into the 12s today at the time of this recording, sitting at 11.59. But look at that nice little burst here while we've been on stream. Exciting times right now for crypto. We'll see what happens. We'll be keeping tabs on it every single day. We're right here. Make sure you're locked in. Subscribe down below for more crypto content like this. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.